Homework 2.5, model with math. Up at the top, these are some words now. You got a couple different strategies we've been using for solving some of the problems. Arrays, and then bar diagrams. This is a bar diagram here. And then the array is a picture down here. Gives you an idea of what those look like to organize some of those ideas in the brain. So you got an array here, got a bar diagram here. There's two different ways to work on those. There might be something to at home you can practice with some manipulatives, forks, spoons of creating either and or. Down here it says draw an array or a bar diagram to help you solve each problem, then write the equation. Beth has 3 rows of sunflowers in her garden. Each row has 5 flowers. How many sunflowers does Beth have in all? I already did your array for you. You have 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15 sunflowers. And then down here at the bottom, Curtis makes 2 books. Each book has 7 pages. Now, we've got 7 here and 7 here. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 7 is 14 pages. On the back, this gets a little confusing. So we're going to start asking them some questions that they don't actually have to answer. Mrs. Dunlap is planting some flowers in her garden. She has 10 tulips, 5 roses, and 10 daffodils. She wants to plant the flowers in an array, where each row has 5 flowers. How many rows of flowers will be in her garden? What do you know? Well, you need to write down what you know. You know she has 10 tulips. You know she has 5 roses. And she has 10 daffodils. Right here, and right here. What do you ask to find? Well, how many rows? You can even just copy this down. How many rows of flowers will be in her garden? You're not answering here. Today we had some students after school that decided they wanted to do their homework early. Didn't have to answer this. They were writing down answers and arrays and pictures. And I said, no, it's just asking what you know from the story problem and what you asked to find. Because that's just breaking down this into steps for them. Mrs. Dunlap thinks she should plant the flowers in 4 rows of 5. Does her plan make sense? Yes or no? Well, let's see. 4 rows of 5. Draw an array. 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 of 5 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Does her plan make sense? Well, this is when this helps. I know she has 10 plus 10 plus 5. 10 plus 10 plus 5 equals 25. Well, she has 25 flowers. Over here it says she should do 4 rows of 5 flowers. Does her plan make sense? No, doesn't make sense. Because, and explain, when you see the word explain, circle it and draw like fireworks coming out of it so your child understands it on a quiz or a test. Explain means use the word because. No, because she has 25 flowers. Doesn't make sense. She's got to plant 25 flowers, and there's only 20 if she did this strategy. And then down at the bottom it says draw an array. Draw an array to show how Mrs. Dunlap could plant her flowers when we know she has 25. So now they're going to think in their brain either an array or to solve 25 flowers. Label the flowers. How many rows are in the garden? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Label the flowers. How many rows are in her garden? Well, she's got 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then label the garden. Well, 2 rows are going to be tulips. She has 10 of them. 2 rows are going to be daffodils. And the 5 up top will be the roses. And I've labeled mine. Thanks for following along.